Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter's School. This is your science class, and in previous class we were doing the question and answer of chapter number 3, that is properties of natural resources, and we have already done up to the question number third. Now today we are going to start with the question number 4, that is which home should I pair. This is a type of match the following. So you have to match group A with group B. So for in first column air, water and soil given. In second column excretion, scattering of light and plasticity is given. So you have to just match. So air will match better with the scattering of light. In air, what by the help of dust particles, what happened, a light used to scatter. So that's why for air the perfect answer will be scattering of light. Water, water excretion. Most of the birds and animals used to do excretion in water only, or the form used to lay eggs in the water only. So, or water is very much useful for the excretion also. That's why water will be more suitable for the excretion. Now, soil has its plasticity. When we are studying about the soil, we discuss this term. What is plasticity? That texture of soil is called plasticity. Okay, so this like some soil are dry, some soil are wet, some soil are very muddy. So on that time we discuss what is plasticity, how plasticity differs in different types of soil. So perfect answer for the soil will be plasticity. Now, question number 5, state whether the following statements are true or false. So, first question is sandy soil has low capacity of holding water. So, sandy soil has low capacity of holding water. False, because sandy soil has holding capacity of water. Sandy soil में पानी ज़्यादा देर तक अटकता है, वो सोखता नहीं है, क्योंकि because they don't absorb the water. That's why sandy soil has very like good capacity of holding water. Now, seawater is bad conductor of electricity. False, because due to presence of salt, seawater is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. See, the substance in which a solute dissolve is called solvent. Correct. The substance in which solute dissolve is called solvent. जो solute और solvent का मिश्र होता है उसको solution बोलते हैं. And the substance in which solute dissolve is called solvent. Pressure exerted by air is called pressure. True. The pressure which is exerted by air, that is called atmospheric pressure. Now, question number 6. Explain the picture in your own words. So there is a two picture given here, A picture and B picture. In first picture, what you are saying, कि the here is it is in a liquid state, where it is in a solid state in the ice form. So now how you will explain it? In image A represents a surface or a crack which is filled with water, whereas image B represents a surface which has ice. सर्विस इज अ टाइप ऑफ नैरो होल, जो होता है ना होल, दैट इज सर्विस. ओके. तो इस होल में वाटर भरा है और इस होल में क्या भरा है? आइस भरा है. द विड्थ ऑफ द सर्विस इंक्रीजेज एज द वाटर इन द surface freezes. This is one of the properties of water due to which it expands upon freezing. When we are discussing about the water, then we discuss about this topic, that when the water changes into the solid form, it expands. Okay, it is expands देयर साइज. सो इसीलिए यहाँ पे साइज जो है वो बड़ा हो गया, वाटर क्या हो गया? फ्रीज हो गया, वो एक्सपैंड कर गया, और वहाँ पे साइज, होल का साइज बड़ा हो गया. एंड हेयर इट इज इन अ लिक्विड स्टेट. दिस एक्सपेंशन इन वाटर आफ्टर फ्रीजिंग रिजल्ट्स इन द वाइडनिंग ऑफ द क्रैक ऑफ द image B. Simple. While it is taking a solid form, it is changing into ice form, and then it expands due to this, and that's why hole is more broader than the A hole. Okay. Now, question number 7. Write answer to the following question in your own words. First is question is, how is light scattered by the air? So when we are discussing about the air, we discuss about this term also. Why it is so that light is scattered in air. So due to presence of dust particles in the air, light usually scattered. Okay. So let's see what is this answer. Scattering is the phenomenon of change in direction of light rays when they travel through Earth's atmosphere. Air is a mixture of gases, smokes, dust, and very fine particles. As the rays of light fall on these particles, these rays are spread or scattered in all directions. It is natural phenomenon which is observed in our daily basis. So it is very natural phenomenon which we can see. आप चाहो तो इसको कभी आप observe कर सकते हो, like you close all the windows and let only one windows to come into your room. So you, when you will see that the rays of the light having lots of dust particle, आपने कभी पहले भी ऑब्जर्व भी किया होगा, यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि कैसे डस्ट पार्टिकल्स जो होता है वो लाइट पर्टिकुलर लाइट के अंदर कैसे स्कैटर्ड होता है. ओके. So due to presence of dust particles, gases and in smokes, lights usually scattered, और वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह मतलब एक एक लाइन में नहीं होता है, वो एक रेज में मतलब स्कैटर्ड हो जाता है. मतलब आप, if you the light will come through the hole also, it will scattered into your room. Now second question is, explain the various properties of water. So you have to discuss here the various properties of water. So water is colorless, tasteless and transparent liquid. It has no smell. Boiling point of the pure water is 100 degrees Celsius at 760 mm of Hg pressure. Boiling point क्या होता है? 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है वाटर का. ओके. So this is very important term, and at 760 mm of Hg pressure. Okay. However, boiling point of the water increase due to increase in the pressure and presence of dissolved impurities. Okay. It also depends on the what impurities you are dissolving into the water. इसके ऊपर भी उसके boiling point change होता है. Plus boiling point of the water increases due to increase in the pressure. अगर उससे भी ज़्यादा अगर आप pressure increase कर दोगे तो water जल्दी भी boil कर सकता है. Okay. Pure water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius at 760 mm of Hg pressure. However, freezing point of the water decreases due to increase in the pressure and the presence of dissolved impurities. Again, it depends on the what impurities you have dissolved. उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. अगर कोई ऐसा सब्सटेंस उस पे आप मिक्स किए हो तो इट विल टेक मोर टाइम टू फ्रीज, और माइट बी वो उससे पहले भी फ्रीज हो जाए. ओके. इट मे हैपन. So it depends upon the impurities which is dissolved in water. Now pure water freezes at it's the same thing. However, freezing point of the water, the state of the water changes on heating or cooling. The state of the water changes on heating or the cooling. On heating, the state of the water changes from liquid state to gaseous. Similarly, on the cooling, state of the water changes from liquid to solid. स्टेट वाटर के स्टेट को चेंज किया जा सकता है. हाउ? when water is freezes, it turns into the liquid state, while when it is heated, then it changes into the gaseous form. So that's all for today. In next class, we will discuss more question answer of C, D, E, F, G, H of the question number 7. And after that, we will complete with the question and answer also. So till the time, what you are going to do, you start writing all the question and answer in your notebook, and go through the books, go through the points which is already discussed in video, so that you can self answer all, you can get the all the self answer of these all these this question. So till the time, what you are going to do, revise all the points. So thank you. Bye bye. Take care.